thunderstorms with locally heavy rain are expected to overspread the area this evening and continue until shortly after midnight. With wet antecedent conditions, a rapidly falling 1 to 2 inches of rain could result in flash flooding. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be